Hi, welcome back. I've just put new bearings in this bench grinder, give it a few more years, and I've when I put the wheels back on, they're out of round. Now you can use one of those weird and wonderful things that spits and grinds everywhere and so forth, and they can be very messy. And I find, yeah, you can true up the wheel a bit, but it never gets a really nice smooth finish on the edge that you can grind to. So what I do is, if you take one of the old diamond stone cutters from an angle grinder, the coarser the diamond, of course, the better. I've also got one here from an old drilling attachment that I picked up for, I don't, bore water, maybe something like that, or core samples, because it's hollow, and it's got a lot of diamond in it. And I tell you, it makes very short process of cleaning up your wheels. I'll just put a mask on and I'll show you. Oh. Vibration went down as I was going. You could hear in the beginning it was still vibrating. Well, it's going a hell of a lot smoother now. That's pretty happy with that. It's a little bit of vibration, but that's probably from the discs being a little bit but that surface there is absolutely wonderful. Now you go to grind something on there, it's not kunka 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 kunk, it's just a really smooth surface. If you, I'll show you quick. Very nice, especially for drill bits and things like that. That's the kind of surface you want. Something really smooth that not only is the grain particle being, taken to a level surface, the actual grain itself has been split in half, and so you get a very smooth finishing surface. Happy with that.